Acies, we have transitioned from a designation-based structure to a role-based structure, and the question is that why we did that. The primary reason are three. One is to increase accountability. Second is to build deeper specializations. And third is to focus on skills rather than on educational qualifications only. I'll cover one by one each of those. Let me take the first part first, to increase accountability. Now, what happens many times that people busy gets aggregation done rather than actually doing work. What we wanted to promote is for people to actually execute, to do work rather than only aggregate. That also helps them in setting the right kind of a structure, right kind of a messaging to their team, where they can lead by example rather than they can just aggregating the work done by others. Now, that is something that we wanted to promote, and that is one thing that we want to achieve by this role-based structure. The second point which I spoke about was building deeper skills. What we want to achieve by this role-based structure is that people have roles to play. These roles require skills for them to play those roles effectively. Once people start playing those roles, they do it more and more, and that helps them in developing those skills. As they get skilled in a particular role, they can migrate to a next one and then start building those skills which enable them to play the next role. The idea is to ensure where people are focusing on skill building and then playing that role, rather than focusing on their designations, the aggregations, or getting work done by others. So that's something what we want to achieve by this role-based structure. The third part is where we want to focus on skill rather than say educational qualification. Now, skill comes from actually working, from experience, where people actually do the work, where then they acquire the skills, and those skills are then utilized in multiple activities that we do for the firm, for our clients, for society in general. So what we want to focus is to build those skills, to deepen the skills that people are building within our organization, do away from things like educational qualifications or number of years that people have spent, but focus on that what they can actually do. That helps the organization in terms of getting more value from people, and that helps people in terms of doing what they are good at, building skills, building more skills, and then able to move quickly within the organization from say one role to a next role where their skills are being utilized. So these are the things that we are trying to achieve by moving from a designation-based structure to a role-based structure. And this is something that we believe will help us at Acies grow stronger, making sure that the employees, the people within Acies are able to grow with the organization and able to achieve their potential, what they are capable of.